Hi guys, and welcome once again back here to my channel. Stay tuned as I tell you guys how to make these cute lantern out of Dollar Tree items. So what you're going to need is 2 of these candle holders at the Dollar Tree. This candy holder, Dollar Tree. You're gonna need frosted glass. I got this at Walmart. And you're going to need black. I also got this at Walmart. Okay, so what you're gonna do first is we're gonna spray these 2 and the top of the candy holder. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and ferns, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Okay, so after they've been dried for a while, I like to seal them. I'm going to use this durable one. Everything I use I'll leave down in the description box. So I'm just going to go ahead and lightly spray them. And then it just, make sure they're nice and sealed. And they can last me many, many years for decorations. Okay guys, so once we have that dried, you bring them in. So you have 2 of your candle holders that you just painted. And this is the result of spraying it with the frosted glass. And then we have the cover. So what we're going to do first is you also need to finish this off. You're going to need a bow and you're going to need Christmas lights. Both of these are also found at the Dollar Tree. These are 2 for $1. So these are very, very inexpensive. So, you get practically for 50 cents, and these for $1. These are battery operated, which is perfect, and you just have to turn them on like that. You can also use tail lights, the little candle lights. I personally like how that looks, but I kid you guys, I have gone to 4 of my local Dollar Trees and they don't have it. So eventually, if I do find them, I'm going to switch them over. But for now, we're going to use these. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to get my candle holders. And I'm going to make sure they match. When I say match, they have the same lines. And then I'm going to use my hot glue. And then I'm going to glue them together. Sorry about that. Like I was saying, you're going to get your glue gun. And then you're going to just add your glue to the top. Like that. And then you're just going to line them up. And then you're going to glue it. And it should look like that. I do see a lot of people using that other glue. I forget the name of it. The E400 or something like that. You can also use that. I know a lot of people prefer that rather than the hot glue. But honestly, I've never had issues with doing glass with hot glue. So it looks like that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cover to the candy jar and I'm going to glue my lights to the bottom of this. I'm going to keep it strapped like that. I'm not going to unravel them or anything. I need it to stay like that. And we're not going to glue it on the part that has the screw. Obviously, we need that when it's time to change out the batteries. But I'm going to glue it on this part. And I'm going to do the edges, glue them, and then they go on like that. So when you have the option to turn them on and turn them off when you don't need them. And that way, you know, the batteries last longer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add glue to the edges like that. And a little bit in the middle. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to find my middle to the bottom of the lid, and then I am just going to press on it like so. So just press on it. What I usually like to do is I like to add a little bit of glue to the outside of the perimeter, and that helps me staying put more. And I'll show you right now what I mean. So I'm going to do that. I don't know if you guys can see, but you see on that edge, I add a little bit of more glue so it can stay. So while that is going on, I'm going to leave it upside up so it could dry. Then I'm going to go to my bottom part of the candy holder. I'm going to go ahead and put hot glue around the candle holder, and then I'm gonna add the candy jar. So it goes like that, and then I add this. I'm trying to find the middle. I'm gonna find the middle, and then I'm gonna press on it for a couple seconds, not too much. You don't want to like press on it, but you do want to press enough with enough pressure so it can stay. Do you guys see it coming alive? Isn't this so cute? Now I'm going to get my bow, and I'm going to find the middle of where I want my bow. I'm going to add hot glue again, and then add the bow. And this too, I'm going to press for a couple of seconds, usually a good 30 seconds. That way I know that, you know, it's getting glued on there. And then the final piece will be turning on the lights and putting the cover to this. This project is not only so simple, guys, it's going to look so cute when it's part of your other decorations. I am going to go ahead, and after this, I'm going to make 3 more. So I am making 4. 2 of them are going to go in my office at work, because, you know, you have to show your crafts at work. So, look at that, guys. It is so cute. So now, like I said, my final step is turning on the lights and adding the top. And doesn't that look like the perfect street light decorated for Christmas? How cute is this guy? Now, like always, this is just a take on how I would do this. If you guys want to do it whatever way you guys want to personalize it, go ahead. Maybe you want to add a wreath with this instead of, you know, the bow. Maybe you want to add those signage, you know, when you see in the pool, on the poles on the street, that they have, like, you know, you could put it with wire and then add garland around it so it could look like a little, like, you know, Mr. Snowman or Santa Claus himself. The possibilities are endless. If you can also not frost this, if you decide, hey, you know, I kind of like it better without the frost, go ahead. And like I said, I do prefer the teal lights. So as soon as if I find any teal lights, these will be changed to the teal lights. If nothing's going to happen to, you know, the other option, because the light will be off. And, yeah, or you can even change the color. You can even paint this white and then paint it black and give it that little rustic look that, you know, the farmhouse look. It becomes your project, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, guys, I'm very, very thankful that you guys have hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Leave your comments down below, guys. And if you guys do this project, don't forget to tag me on your pictures and on my Instagram. I'll leave all that information down below. Also, I'll include what spray is I use for these, the black, the, you know, the clear, the frosted and also the clear coat I put on all my painted projects. I really thank you for your time. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.